Hello Baes, and welcome to today's tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to do this nice, cute, orangey summer, city girl summer. I hate myself. Look, I mean, it was a train ride to get here. I look like a train hit me. But you know what? What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Kelly Clarkson, 2013. Wait, was that Kelly Clarkson? I don't know who that was. I haven't done drag in forever, and this for me was just like fun, just to get behind the camera again and do makeup, because I like doing makeup, but at the same time it's very stressful. And for me, drag was no longer the escape that I thought it was. It kind of was becoming something that like people want you to do this, do drag, you have to do drag. And I got kind of tired of like everyone just saying like do drag. I was just kind of done, because I like doing drag mainly because I like to express myself this way. This is how I feel, and it's a way of making me feel on the outside as I do on the inside. Yeah, this is how I look on the inside. Very pretty, right? But I am really glad to be back behind the camera. It's been so long, and I honestly love it. And like, oh my god. I'm probably gonna do more drag tutorials because I'm like kind of obsessed. But let's get into this video. The tutorial will start now. So I'm starting from this point in my makeup. My eyebrows are glued down, my foundation is set, and everything is going fine. When I start to put more things on my face, that's when things get a little bit like scary, you know, because I'm not the best at makeup, but that's fine. Let's just go. So I personally like to start with my eyebrow first, mainly because I feel like eyebrows kind of like sculpt the face, and once you get the eyebrow shape, then you're able to build a face around that. So that's why I like to do it first. But like, I know some people like to do their eyes first, or do their foundation first, or do blah blah blah. I personally just like to do my eyebrows first, because like, you know, they're like the hardest part for me. I mean, like, once you get the eyebrows out of the way, drag is pretty easy. So right now I'm just gonna be taking an angled brush. I'm using the Anastasia dual-ended angled brush, but I broke it, so it's only one end, so it's not a dual end anymore. And I'm just gonna take a gray eyeshadow and kind of put down like the sketch of my eyebrows, and then fill it in later. So I'm gonna be going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate, and just go in with this and hope that things work out. I'm basically freehanding this, but I always usually do, and this is what takes me forever. So let's just hope that I get it good in the first try. Okay, well, I'm gonna go fix this, and then I will be right back, because she needs a little bit of help. And to fix them, I'm just gonna go in with this Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral, and just kind of cut out my eyebrows and kind of save her, because they're both dying, like they're drowning, they need to be helped, I'm sorry. This right here took me an hour to get it somewhat even and ugly, but it's fine, because now we can finally get into this tutorial, because I've been waiting so long to do this. I haven't done drag in so long. I am so excited. I literally have gone crazy because I haven't done drag, but now I get to. The one thing that I will say is that all of my palettes look ugly, so ignore how they look, but they're just gonna show you. Going into the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm gonna go into the shade called Orange Soda and put this on my eye. I'm going to be taking an R33. I know it's a big brush, but I don't know if you noticed, I have a lot of eyebrow room, so I'm just gonna go crazy. Okay, but like, she looks kind of like orangey, like a popsicle, like you just want to take a bite of her. Like, she's cute. Okay, I'm getting ready. I'm getting hyped. I'm ready to start this tutorial. Like, we're going full gear mode. Like, let's go. So I want it to be a little bit more orangey and very intense, so I'm going to the James Charles X Morphe palette. I am going into this nice orange shade right here, which I don't know the name of. I lost the little pamphlet that has like the color names, so pretend like I told you the color names. I'm sure I'll put it somewhere down below or on the screen. Next, I'm taking this Morphe R35 brush and dipping into that orangey color, which I still don't know the name of. And then I'm just gonna make this orange more intense. Going in with this and just trying to make it as cute as possible without ruining it, because that's like a big problem of mine. It's just ruining the makeup before I even like get through it. So for the next part, I'm going into the Sweet Peach palette. I'm going into this nice orangey shade called Summer Yum, and I'm gonna be putting this in my crease and kind of making it a little bit more darker so I can add more dimension to my eye. I'm also going with this Sephora Precision Smudge Brush. So I am done with my eyes for now. I'm gonna go back into them a little bit later, but I like to just look away from my eyes and then come back to it so I'm able to fix some mistakes that I didn't notice when I first put things down. Because when you first put things down, you're like, look how good it looks perfect. But then when you look at it again, you're like, oh, I could do this one a little bit different, or I could fix it like this, or do this, you know? So I'm going to work on my face, and I'm gonna first start out by contouring. So I'm going to do my contour, and I'm gonna do it with a controversial product, so please don't judge me. As I'm like gripping onto my makeup brush, like, please don't judge me. If you have makeup that works, use it. Especially if you are a broke college kid that does not have a job. So I'm going into the Shade to Light palette for the face. I like to use these two colors right here. This is my contour color and this is my highlight color. And this is my contour brush. It's really big, but you know what? I have a big face, so I'm just like using a brush that's proportionate, okay? And I'm just gonna go in and just contour my face. And I'm gonna be really heavy-handed because I'm a drag queen. Yeah. I forgot to mention I'm going in my highlight color with an e.l.f. brush. I don't know if this is important, I'm just going with an angled brush. You know what, do whatever you got. I have e.l.f. And now my savior is coming. I'm gonna go in with two bronzers because I love bronzer. I have a problem. I love bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer and the Too Faced Sweetie Pie Bronzer. I'm gonna go in with this one first and then this one because this one has a little bit of shimmer to it, so it makes it look like I'm glowing and I like it. And I'm using my contour brush in order to do this because I have no explanation. I just am. Now I'm going into my blush, and for that I'm going into the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Risque. It's really cute. It's this really like soft pink shade, and literally I'm gonna go on this cheap Daiso brush, but that doesn't matter because it can still work well, okay? And you know, just be a little light-handed with this blush. I love blush. I love blush. Just put it all over your face. Like, honestly, blush belongs everywhere because everywhere in your face should have warmth. You wanna look like you're glowing. Now I'm going to contour my nose, and to do that I'm gonna go into the R39 brush and I'm gonna go into the Beached Bronzer from Urban Decay, and I'm just gonna use this to contour my nose because I don't like to contour my nose with a cool color because I think it looks better with a warm color. I don't know, it's gonna tie into this look because you know how you have like the warm toned eyes and then like a warm toned nose. I don't know, I'm crazy. I'm probably doing this completely wrong, but I'm just doing it to do it, okay? And now I'm going to sharpen my contour with the light shade from the Shade to Light palette and just take that along the edge of my contour. Don't ask questions, just follow along. Please don't comment about my nose down below because I'm very insecure about it. When I get a new nose, we won't have this problem with this ugly contour, but until then, we're just gonna have to deal with it, okay? This part is hard for me, probably easy for a lot of you because you are probably all talented and I'm just talentless. Ha! I'm gonna take my foundation, which is actually the Lucky foundation. I'm sorry, I love this foundation. It's really thick and it's really bad for my skin, but it covers my eyebrows. That's the only thing I really care about, but I'm gonna take it on an angled brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a dual-ended brush. I'm just gonna cut a new lid, if you can understand what I'm saying. I'm just gonna add some white so it can make it look like the illusion that I have an eyelid for once. I'm getting close to be done with my eyes, and I'm gonna go back into the James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm gonna be going into this nice kind of tan, warmish shade, and I'm gonna be going into this nice flat brush and just setting that down where I put my foundation. My eyes are screaming at me because they do not feel comfortable with all this makeup on them, but you know what? This is the life of being a drag queen, okay? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my lashes and then put on some mascara and then do a little bit of winged eyeliner and then put on my eyelashes, and then I will probably be close to being done. I almost threw up right there. I'm gonna be going in with the Nacho Pen eyeliner. It is really thick. Literally, I like to cover my whole lid with eyeliner. Yeah, waste of product, I know, but we're just gonna... So I'm gonna attempt to do my eyeliner on camera, which probably will not work, but that's fine. As long as you guys know beforehand that it's gonna look ugly, then it's fine. Ain't nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through. Straight to the top, I'm tumbling. My roller coasters. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. I got eyeliner right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I'm going into my bulletproof eyeshadow from Sugar Pill and going into my MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray. And you spray a little bit in the thing and then you get an eyeliner that's perfect. And so now I'm just going to put this on my eye and finish up my eyeliner, and then we'll be close to being done. And also my broken angled brush, I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry, girl. Oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do. Baby, like rain pouring down. Okay, she dried without getting smudged, and I'm honestly really happy for that. But now I'm going to just try to make the wings even. So I'm gonna go try to do that. Okay, I am taking my angled brush once again and going into the shade Summer Yum, and I'm going to be darkening my little crease where the light color meets the dark color because I want it to be a little bit more defined than it is, and I want it to kind of be like an eyeliner kind of thing. Like, I want it to be sharp. I don't want it to be dark. That's how I can describe it. So just, you know, follow. Things aren't meant to be explained. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go put on some mascara, a wig, and some lashes, and then I will be right back to continue the rest of this tutorial. Already sweating. I literally feel so hot. It's like summer and I'm wearing a wig and I'm wearing everything else. I'm like, this is not the right kind of temperature for this. Also, I have my crusty nail gloves on that has a finger hole. Okay, leave it alone. I know it's there. I can't do anything about it. I know I didn't glue down my wig. There's a lot of things wrong here. There's a lot of things wrong with this video that you're seeing, but we're just gonna ignore that. So I put on some mascara, I put on some eyeliner, I put on some lashes, I did some finishing touches. If you notice these little like black speckles on my eye, it's because I put my wig cap down too far and pulled it back. And when I did that, it kind of took a little bit of my glue with it. So it started coming off and I tried to fix it, but like it's just gonna stay there. Like I have nothing to say because I'm not redoing this because this took me too long to do. For my lipstick, I'm going to the Jeffree Star Pumpkin Pie. I better not mess this up. Honestly, I'm kind of liking how this looks. Like, I don't know what it is about this look, but I'm just like really, really, really feeling it. The shirt, let me show you the shirt. The shirt's kind of cute. Okay, let's see if I can somehow show you this. It says girl gang right here because, you know, obviously like we're girl gang, hashtag girl gang. I'm going in my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Snow Cone. I'm taking it on in R36 brush, and I'm just gonna be putting this on my cheekbones. Is it working? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Hello? Mr. Obama? If you get that joke, I'm sorry. My boyfriend literally says that all the time, and I literally think I want to kill him. I am now going to be putting on the final glove, which is a signal that this tutorial is over. When both gloves come on is when everything's done and I'm not putting any more makeup on because these gloves are literally like handcuffs and I don't know how to get them off. They literally are the worst things in the world. But they're also kind of cute and also really dirty. Like, I would wash them, but I don't know how to because they're pantyhose. So I'm just gonna leave them. This is the finished look. I'm feeling like this cute, like pink fantasy vibe. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's very like, I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it. I feel like I look like very like city girl summer. I said it. I'm sorry. I said it. I I can't take that back. What I said is what I said. I look cute when I don't smile. Like when I don't smile, I'm like, Patty. But then when I smile, it's like, hi, I'm what you see in your nightmares. Like I said, this is the finished look. I like how it's very like orangey, like summery, like little popsicle moment, but also like very like, I don't know, I feel like it's wearable. Like you could wear this outside. Like I feel like my roommate does this makeup tutorial because she literally wears like bright orange colors. So go off, Anna. Hello, hi. Well, she's not my roommate anymore, but she was. But she's still my best friend, so shout out to Anna. Thank you guys for making it all the way to the end of this video. I had so much fun doing this and I look so good and I'm so proud of myself. Please don't roast me down there because I am very sensitive and I don't know if I can handle it, but you can criticize me. There's a difference, there's a difference. So do the one and not the other, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you did not like it, that's probably because you don't like oranges or you don't like popsicles. But you know what? You are gonna get scurvy because oranges are very citrusy and have citrus in them, which, why every time? Don't forget to go down to the links below where you guys can see links to my other videos. There's always something fun down there, so just go check it out. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, Baes. Mwah.